Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, bringing you another unboxing. This time, the 12.9 iPad Pro. This is the 2020 version. For those who regularly watch my channel, I bought an 11-inch iPad Pro, but after just a week of using it, I realized that it was small for my needs. So I wanted one that's bigger, and I returned that 11-inch iPad Pro and decided to go big and get this 12.9 version. Alright, I'm gonna share with you the unboxing video and my impressions on this iPad Pro. Okay, let's open it up. Again, the nice thing about an iPad or any Apple product for that matter is that it's so easy to open it. They have this pull tab that you can pull, and that basically rips the plastic covering. Now we can get into the iPad Pro. Alright, well, I'm so excited to see how this will be. And there you go. Oh, nice, okay, wow, that is big. Alright, there you go. Still nicely sealed. What else do we normally get inside an iPad Pro box? Yeah, this should have all the instructions and probably a sticker. There you go. So it's handy to read the instructions because it shows you how to navigate the iPad Pro. It doesn't have a home button anymore, so you need this. You need to look through this. And you have your charging cable and your plug-in charger. So that's everything that's inside the box, which is really nice. All Apple products are really packaged really well. Okay, let me put the box aside, and time to look at the iPad Pro itself. So again, there's a pull tab here. Love that satisfying sound. So what I got was the space gray. And nice. There you go, already a fingerprint there. So let's turn it on. Usually this has juice. Oh, maybe I should hold it longer until the Apple logo. Oh, no charge on my iPad Pro. Well, looks like it's dead. I think I may need to charge it, so give me a second. I have to plug it in. No, on second thought, I just need to hold the power button down, and there's the Apple logo now. And that gave me a bit of a panic, but already I have fingerprints there. I just put oil in my hands. There you go. So, I guess it's time to set it up. English. I'm in Canada. Okay, there you go. Oh, I need to get my iPhone so I can quick start it. Just to show you, there's 90% battery there coming out of right out of the box. So it's awesome because you get to play with your iPad right away. So I'm back. So funny thing is I need to use my iPhone to set my iPad up, which is really convenient. I was shooting with this iPhone, so I need to stop the video for a moment. And as you can see, it's restoring from iCloud my settings from the 11-inch iPad Pro that I used to have. I had to return that other one because it was really small. With this one, I like it because it's the same size as a regular letter. So I think it will work well for me. We shall see once it opens up. I'm sorry. I'm just excited, so I'm forgetting how to talk. So it's setting it up, and I'll get back to you once the setup is finished. I think it's ready to use now. Oh, I need to use my Face ID. Give me a second. And the restoration of my iPad is complete. So hopefully all of the apps that I was using in the 11-inch iPad Pro should appear here. and then I can show you why I decided to upgrade. Oh, it looks like it's doing a setup thing again, and I guess what's our battery status? Yeah, that's awesome. Okay, no, not now. All right, let's get started. Yeah, there you go. There's my 12.9-inch iPad. Cool. Yeah, I think it's downloading some of the apps. Most of the apps, actually. Some of the apps. All right, so there you go. That's my 12.9-inch iPad Pro, the year 2020 release, and I'm excited to use it. It's not too big, actually. I guess I'm 5 feet 9 inch tall, so I guess the proportion of this one is good for me. I don't know, but it's not as big as I thought it would be. I think I can handle it. I'm looking forward to the big screen because it gives me more real estate. Yeah, when I'm writing notes, I have lots of space to put the side of my hand on when I'm writing, because the problem with the 11-inch is when I'm at the bottom of the page, it's very hard to work on. All right, so here's my brand new 12.9-inch iPad Pro, the 2020 version. I was not able to show the reason why I upgraded to this version. It's because during the time of the unboxing, the apps were being downloaded. But now that it's set up perfectly now, and now that I've used it for a couple of days, I'm gonna show you the reason why I like this very much. Well, actually, before that, funny thing is, I'm actually editing the unboxing video using this iPad Pro. All right, so why did I choose this and why did I upgrade to this? Well, I felt that the 12.9-inch, the 11-inch version was very cramped. But with this 12.9-inch, so let's say if I open my Bible app, actually I have it on split screen now, Bible app and Good Notes. The nice thing is there, because it's big enough for me to rest the side of my hand on when I'm writing. So that's what I like about it. I do sacrifice a bit of portability with it because it is really big. It feels like I am carrying an iPad Air, but I don't mind. I've gotten used to it after 2 days of using it. I think, as you can see, I already installed a matte screen protector on it, and I also have the 12.9-inch version of the ESR smart cover. So there you go. That's my unboxing video and first impressions of the 12.9-inch iPad Pro. I love it. Highly recommended for sure. For those who can afford it, it's quite expensive. There you go. So let me know what you think. If you have any questions, feel free to post them in the comment section below. And like, share, subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet. And I'll see you. Hey, come on. Never mind, I'm done with the video. See you in the next video. Bye.